Yeah, we haven't given an update for a month actually, so I thought, why don't we like create a small demo of, and then show how we are progressing, what kind of flows we are having here. So to give a small context about our product, like we are a K-12 education edtech platform where we are going to provide to schools and coaching centers. So basically, for each and every class, we have like multiple chapters, and right now we are working on something called diagnostic test, where we have a set of diagnostic tests prepared for like each and every chapter in the class, and these tests will contain like questions of concept which are related to this particular chapter, but that comes in the previous classes, to make sure like whether the particular student does he even have the capability of like answering the basic concept first and then moving on. This is something very much lacking in the today's world, students that I have personally seen in the one-on-one tutor. So I'll give a short demo on like the UI and other things, so that I can get a lot of feedbacks. So yeah. So I have currently logged in as a ninth grader. Here I have listed like chapters of like CBC textbook of mathematics. I'll probably start with like linear equation of two variables. So this is a kind of a diagnostic test with 15 to 20 questions approximately, might be more or less. So it has like different question types like short answers, true or false, MCQs. So this is kind of very much helpful for schools to evaluate like subjective related topics. We are probably going to add like adding pictures or voice note of the sort as well in future. So I'll probably skip this and then show you the test analysis page. Yeah, this is like typical test analysis page that you would have seen like a lot of platforms, but the specialty here is like we have integrated whatever the A buddy we have already released, and it will be like easily accessible from the test analysis space, so that the particular student don't have to go to any resources for the solution or anything. And this the reason why parents and teachers will accept this, because it is kind of friendly to them. It's not giving like entire answer in the one go. He can actually upload his solution and then see what mistake he have done, so that it will give a proper analysis as well as teach him like how to do it properly. So this is one of the key features of this, but there is something more which we are like really working on to make it perfect, so that we can show it to the outside world. So this is like a ultimate test analysis page you'll ever see. It will have like very descriptive kind of information on each and every concept that particular question or like the particular chapter has, so that he can like know where he really lacks, and then we have like some more flows coming forward that I don't want to reveal right now. So yeah, this is the update from my end. Probably will post something like this like every 4 or 5 days, and see you guys in next video. Bye.